we are going to learn about phonics sound. And welcome to CT&E means ChildTech&Education English reading phonics sound of alphabet. Subscribe, like and share the video. So let's start now. In earlier time, in senior juniors, teachers are teaching to children like A for apple, and nowadays teachers are teaching to children of senior junior like A apple. So today we are going to learn alphabets phonic sound. So let's start. A apple and April. B ball bat bull. C cat car cow. D dog donkey doll. E egg eagle elephant. F fish fan frog. G goat glass go. H hat hen house. I ice insect igloo. J jug jeep jelly. K kite king key. L lion lamb leg. M monkey moon mango. N nest nose snail. O orange onion owl. P pen pencil pineapple. Q quiz queen. R rabbit rat rock. S sheep sunflower sad. T tiger tomato tent. U umbrella up uniform. V van vegetable victory. W watch water what. X Xmas tree X-ray. Y yak yo-yo yes. Z zebra zipper zero. Thank you for watching this video till end. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you.